You are busy cooking dinner when your little one drops a piece of food on the floor. Acting fast, you scoop it up within the crucial 5-second window before your dog can make a move, and you hand it back to your little one to prevent a potential tantrum. Should you have thrown away that food, or is it still safe to eat? Does having a dog in your home make it unclean and risky to your family's health? Are some of these germs good for you, and if so, which ones? Stay with us until the end of this video to find out the answer to these questions and more. Some experts believe that our modern lifestyle of living in super clean environments may not be beneficial for our immune system and could even cause health problems. This theory, known as Hygiene Hypothesis, suggests exposing babies and young children to different types of germs early on in life can protect them from developing illnesses like asthma, allergies, and other immune system disorders. The idea is that our immune system needs to train by fighting off germs to become strong. It is important to know that Hygiene Hypothesis is still a theory that is subject to ongoing debate and research in the scientific community. Although there is still some scientific disagreements on this topic, there is also considerable evidence suggesting that the lack of exposure to certain microbes is associated with allergies and other health problems. First, let's find out what evidence supports this theory. Some diseases that were once rare or uncommon in the past are now more prevalent in our modern times. This could be due to various factors, including changes in our lifestyle and environment, our reduced exposure to natural environments, and our increased use of antibiotics and sanitizers. People in less developed countries seem to have fewer immune system problems than those in industrialized countries. This could be because people in less developed countries may have more exposure to natural environments, live in larger families, and have a diverse diet and less strict hygiene practices. Other evidence to support Hygiene Hypothesis is the method of childbirth. The babies who are born by C-section may have a higher risk of developing asthma and allergies because they miss out on exposure to beneficial bacteria in the birth canal. Also, using antibiotics during the first year of life can increase the risk of developing asthma and allergies. The reason is that antibiotics can decrease the diversity of gut microbiota, which may negatively affect the development of our immune system. But following Hygiene Hypothesis doesn't mean we should abandon all hygiene practices and start eating off the floor without any caution and expose ourselves to all sorts of germs. In fact, germs and bacteria can transfer to your food within milliseconds of hitting the floor. The popular 5-second rule, the idea that food is still safe to eat if it's picked up within 5 seconds, is not scientifically supported. Foods with wet surfaces, such as a slice of apple, picks up germs more easily compared to dry foods like crackers. So, what is the right balance between cleanliness and exposure to germs? Can we still enjoy some of the benefits of those good germs without putting our health at risk? When it comes to germs, we should remember there is a difference between viruses and bacteria. Most viruses won't protect us against allergic diseases or other immune disorders. In fact, infections with viruses often contribute to development or worsening of these conditions. For example, severe cases of RSV virus in an infant can increase the risk of developing allergic diseases and other health issues. Similarly, exposure to COVID-19 can pose risks for adults. On the other hand, bacteria can be either good or bad. Good bacteria are essential for our health. Our association with family life and our environment plays a crucial role in shaping our microbiome, which is the collection of microorganisms living in and on our bodies. Extreme sanitization of every surface in your home may not necessarily be a good thing, as it can impact the development of our immune system. If you are wondering when it is safe to let your guards down against germs and protect yourself against these types of immune disorders, there is good news. You might be surprised to know that exposure to fecal matter of animals like on farms can have health benefits due to presence of beneficial commensal bacteria. Since for most of us farm lifestyle is not feasible, we can bring a pet at home and still enjoy similar benefits of a healthy immune system. If you're enjoying this video, please remember to hit the like button. Also, make sure to stick around until the very end to find out if certain soaps such as antibiotics antibacterial ones are more efficient in killing germs. Spending time outside in nature, planting a garden, and letting your child play outside and get a little dirty can help build up their immune system and reduce the likelihood of allergies and asthma. Also, playing with other kids at daycare can be good for their immune systems. So go ahead and encourage your little ones to play and interact with their surroundings. And don't forget that a healthy diet packed with fiber is important in supporting your immune system by keeping your gut bacteria happy. Even though being exposed to some germs can be good for you, it is still super important to keep up with good personal hygiene habits. Reducing your hygiene, such as not washing your hands before eating, could increase the risk of infection without having any impact on reducing allergies or immune disorders. Maintaining good hygiene practices such as regular hand washing, proper food handling, and keeping our living spaces clean still plays a crucial role in preventing the spread of infectious diseases and promoting overall health. It's about finding a balance between protecting ourselves from harmful germs while also not being overly paranoid about every potential microbe. So, you might have been wondering if antibacterial soap is really necessary for maximum effectiveness. Well, the answer is no. FDA has raised concerns about their actual effectiveness, and some of these products contain triclosan, a chemical associated with health concerns. Instead, you can simply use regular soap and water, which works just as effectively. Returning to the initial question, should you have given the piece of food back to your kid? Well, it depends on whether the food was wet or dry and what surface was it dropped on. However, as a general rule, it is safer to avoid doing so. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And see you in the next video.